I'm Molly with Cooking Crazy Style here on Foodie TV. You're gonna learn how to make regular plates into wild, amazing, crazy dishes. I'm gonna take you on the road of Alaska. We're gonna travel to places near and far, get to the restaurants and to the home cooks there and have them teach us what makes them fun and crazy too. This place is huge, so there's gonna be a lot of area to cover. You're gonna love it. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Cooking Crazy Style with Molly B. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking Crazy Style with Molly B. Today is our holiday episode where I'm going to teach you how to make amazing, delicious holiday French toast. Now, as you know, everything I do is a little bit weird, so this is going to be not too crazy weird, but a little bit weird because I'm a little bit weird. So it's going to be easy though. You just need some very basic ingredients. My favorite thing to do with all of my French toast is to put the flavored coffee creamers in there. So today we're going to use the Peppermint Mocha Coffee Creamer by Coffee Mate. But we're also gonna, for more flavor, add vanilla extract and peppermint extract. Pretty simple stuff, really. And then, of course, I got the big, thick Texas toast. You can actually use so many different kinds of breads when you're making French toast. Don't limit yourself to just bread. You can take a cinnamon roll and cut it sideways and use that as your French toast. I have cut blueberry muffins and made blueberry muffin French toast. So get a little bit weird, have a little bit of fun. But today, holiday French toast is going to be a chocolate mocha peppermint deliciousness. Okay, here we go. So, I'm just gonna take 4 eggs. This is cocoa. I'm gonna crack them in this bowl here. And I realized something today that I thought was so interesting. I'm just gonna share it with you guys. You know, I have this cooking show, and for those of you that know me, I also have a cookie brand, Molly B's Cookies. And I realized today that I don't own a whisk. Isn't that funny? I'm like, I'm not a whisk taker. Okay, anyway, so I'm cracking 4 eggs in here. And then I'm gonna just put about a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of this. Any kind of creamer you want. You know, if you want to do it at the in the fall time too, when everyone's doing pumpkin spice, do pumpkin spice creamer in here. It's so good. So now you're just gonna whisk it up deliciously and see what's happening here. All right, and now I'm going to add a little bit more vanilla, just because vanilla is good. And then I'm going to add some more of the peppermint extract here. I'm pretty pumped because today I got a griddle thing for on top of this, so we're going to see how it works. If it works awesome, that's going to be great. If it doesn't work awesome, you'll see it and then you'll be like, that did not work, and then I'll be like, no, it did not. But if it works, you'll be like, I got to get one of those, and I'll be like, you're welcome, happy Christmas. Okay, here we go. So, as usual, we put the butter in. All right, and do you see my new towel? There's no such thing as too much butter. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the butter all over here. You wanna make sure not to burn the butter. And then on the French toast, what you wanna do is you really wanna soak it in there really well. So, because the more you soak it, the more deliciousness it will be. So, there we go. I'm gonna do it again. Da-da. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You can totally smell the peppermint and the chocolate. Ooh, I'm excited. Do you like how I'm very even about how I'm doing this here? For those of you who are OCD and freaking out right now, I'll fix that for you. So all I'm doing is just rolling it around here and then trying to get a little bit of butter in there, because you gotta get a little butter in there. Here we go. Probably I use my hands too much when I cook, but I mean my hands are washed, so it's just like a clean spatula, like 5 little spatulas. All right, here we go. One more. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to make this really delicious like cream cheese peppermint chocolate filling that we're gonna put between the layers of the French toast. Because we can, because we live our best lives here at Molly B's. Okay, so that's that. And now we're just gonna let this hopefully cook evenly. I don't know. Oh, this is perfect. Toasty brown. Oh, it could be a little bit more, but not too bad. See how it's like getting a golden brown on it? So just keep checking out. Don't bug them too much. My friend Chef Duffy, who is on Spike TV, have you guys ever seen that episode on Bar Rescue where he's like, stop touching the burger? Because the guy kept squishing it and touching it on the grill like crazy. Anyway, okay, so, well, this is cooking. Ooh, this is perfect. Look at this one. Oh, it's beautiful. And this one is not beautiful. And I flipped it too early, but the beauty of flipping it too early is you can just re-flip it the other way and it's okay. So this side over here in the front is really cooking awesome. Over here on this side, not so awesome. Yeah, not awesome. It's like literally cold on this side of the grill. I feel like if everything went regular and normal and perfect, it wouldn't be Molly's Cooking Crazy Style show. So I'm gonna put some of these over in the hotter side of sears. And it was real easy, as you can see, just mix it up or whatever. And then we're gonna just flip these again. I've got a plate over here. So we'll put it on the plate. See how this one's doing? Oh yeah, see how beautiful that is? A nice golden, you can hear it. That means it's done. Okay, that's 1 down, 4 to go. In the meantime, what we're gonna do is I have whipped cream cheese here. I like the whipped stuff because it's fluffier and more fun. If you want to just get regular cream cheese and take it home and whip it, you're welcome to. I don't have a whisk, so I can't whip things. Oh, this is perfect again. Here we go. Another one, it's so pretty. Now, so what I'm gonna do is I have about a cup of whipped cream cheese in here. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put about a 1/3 cup of confectioner sugar, powdered sugar. And then I'm gonna put about a 1/4 cup of cocoa, fresh cocoa in there. And then I'm gonna just mix that up. So it's gonna be like a nice chocolatey deliciousness. And I'm gonna add some extract to it to kind of loosen it up, because see how it's getting to be really thick. We're gonna put in some more of the peppermint. All this is gonna do is it's just gonna loosen it up for you. When I say loosen it up, it means like just make it so it's, you know, not so thick. Oh my gosh, that peppermint smells so good. You don't want to put so much peppermint though in your stuff so that it like starts to taste like toothpaste. Like you don't want to eat toothpaste for breakfast. Okay, so here we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so let's see what's going on over here. Oh yeah, it's looking good. All right. That's a little bit dark, but that's okay. So I'll put this over here. Okay, whoops. So now what you want to do is I'm going to make these like a little Sammy. So you just want to plop down some of this ingredients here. And you know, you can do Nutella too. Throw some peppermint and Nutella, that'd be great. And so it's gonna melt and be delicious. So then put a little bit on top. And you just do it again on the next one. So now, what I've done here is I actually karate chopped some of these. So what I did is I took this and I like, you know, thought of people I wasn't fond of. I just started breaking them up like this. And I flip it around until it got to be like little tiny pieces. And you can just make a little over the top of it like that. And then if you really want to get crazy, you can add a little whipped cream and really make it pretty. And then do a little bit of syrup. This is dark chocolate syrup, but you can just do a little drizzle on there for good looks. And that is it. It's real simple and it's real delicious. Oh, and I also made a cup of coffee that we're gonna put some whipped cream in. With a little bit of drizzle to coordinate. And then some deliciousness. And that's it. We did it. See how fast that was? You guys can make this for your family, for yourselves, for nobody. Enjoy it. Have an amazing day. I'm gonna taste this, and so is Evan. That is so good. Wow. It's not too sweet. I thought with the chocolate sauce it might have been over the top sweet, but it's not. It's not overpowering with the peppermint either, huh? It's like it's perfect, yeah. Super subtle and delicious. Knocked out of the park! Yes! Thank you very much. All right. Yep, that's good. We did it. Thanks for coming to Cooking Crazy Style Holiday Edition. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Thanksgiving, all the things. Love and be loved. Bye-bye, you guys. God bless. That we are going to actually bake. No, we're not baking. Let me start over because that was bad. And all this is gonna, I'm smushing that one.